I want to take all of these individual exports and turn them into one workbook with a table of contents sheet. And that's what this add-on is going to do. Now, I've downloaded this. I need to unzip it. It'll unzip automatically into the folder name, and that is the location of the add-in that you're going to add. To install the add-on, you go to File inside of Excel. You go to File, Options. On the left side, Add-ins. Down here, you hit Go, and you're going to browse to that location, and you're going to grab that file. Hit OK, make sure it's checked, and you're good. Now you've got an addition on your data menu over on the right. You should see Consolidate Files. Now I'll show you how it works. You want to start inside the folder where all the CSVs exist, and I'm going to make a new Excel worksheet. Then I'm going to open it to edit, and I'm going to go over here on the Data tab on the right side, and all I'm going to do is press Consolidate Files. At that point, it's going to go through every CSV file, every export that's in that folder, and it's not only going to combine them into one easy to use workbook, but it's also going to make every link in those workbooks live, so you don't have to, so that you can click on them. This takes a while. At this point, I'm going to pause the video, but I'll give you a total of how long it took for all this to take place. Well, that was under a minute, not so bad. So here I have a table of contents page, and you can see every single link throughout is actually live, clickable, and there you go. Have an optimal day.